Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Nowadays, wing eyeliner is an incredibly popular look, but it's not that easy to master it, especially when you are in rush. I tried so many techniques, but every time I failed miserably. But today in this video, I will be showing you that how you can achieve a perfect wing eyeliner just in few seconds. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned with me, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Here I am using the Maybelline pen eyeliner which has felt tip applicator. You can use any eyeliner which you have. At first I am drawing a wing on the outer edge of my eye, creating an angle. How far out the wing should go, it's totally up to you. If you want to make it more dramatic, extend your wing more. Now draw a straight diagonal line from the tip of the wing down to the middle of your upper lash line. I will always suggest you to use a pen eyeliner, especially if you are a beginner, because it will help you to achieve a neat and clean finish without any hassle. Now fill in the gap with the eyeliner. Now just repeat the same procedure for your another eye. Creating the wing is the hardest part of wing eyeliner, and now you are done with it. Just maintain the symmetry, which means that the angle of the wing, the length of the wing should be same for both eyes. This is important. Now leave your eyeliner, take your Kajal pencil and apply it along your upper lash line. Here I am using the Plum Nature Studio Kajal. You can use any Kajal of your wish. At first, connect the wing with your lash line with the help of this Kajal. After that, start applying the Kajal from the inner corner of your eye towards the wing. You can make the line thin or thick according to your wish. Apply the same technique on your another eye. Try to use a Kajal which is pigmented and smudge proof to get the better effect. To finish off the look, at first curl your lashes and apply mascara. Here I am using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Apply a generous amount of it on your upper and lower lashes. A thick coat of mascara can totally change your eye look, so don't skip this step. When it comes to your bottom lashes, you should be extra careful not to use too much product and create clump. Try to curl your lashes before applying your mascara if you want more dramatic effect. If you lack of time, you can skip this step. So this is my finished wing eyeliner look. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. See you soon. Take care.